In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create illustrated storyboards with Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. Google Gemini is an incredible platform that allows you to craft illustrated storyboards quickly and intuitively using its integrated Storybook gem. With this tool, you can generate personalized, multi-page visual stories featuring unique artwork and text just by sharing your ideas and uploading reference images. Let's break down the steps to get started. First, you'll want to access the Storybook tool. To do this, you simply need to open the Google Gemini website or app. Once you're in, look for the left-hand menu. There you should see an option labeled either Gems or Explore Gems. Click on that, then select the Storybook tool. It's super straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy even if you're new to digital storytelling. The next step is to craft your prompt and upload references. This is where your creativity really comes into play. There's a prompt text box waiting for you to describe your storyline and the visual style you want. For example, you might want a whimsical story that looks like claymation, or perhaps something artistic and soft like watercolor. Whatever your vision is, type it into the prompt box. Additionally, you'll have the option to upload files. This could be character sketches, photos, or any existing artwork that might inspire the visuals for your story. Don't be shy about providing references. They help make your story vividly come to life. Once you have your prompt set up and your references uploaded, it's time to generate and refine your storyboard. Click the Submit button, and in around 90 seconds, Google Gemini will work its magic. It will generate a 10-page storybook, complete with custom art and a draft narrative. You're not just going to see the pages, you can also flip through them and listen to read-aloud audio, which is a fantastic feature for getting a feel for the flow of your story. What's even better is that you have the ability to adjust certain settings, including the voice pitch for the narration. It makes the entire experience quite engaging, and you can tailor it to your taste. Now, let's talk about editing your creation. If you find that certain elements don't quite fit your vision, no need to worry. You can type your revisions directly into the main chat dialog box. For instance, if you decide that the illustration style needs to shift to anime, or if you want a character's car to be red instead of blue, simply note those changes. This back and forth allows for a highly customizable experience, turning your ideas into reality with minimal hassle. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, you'll want to export or share your storyboard. Gemini provides several options for this. You can choose to share via a public link, which is great if you want to showcase your work to others. You might also consider printing your storyboard to have a physical copy, or if you are in an educational setting, you can export it directly to Google Classroom. This adds an extra layer of convenience for teachers and students alike, enhancing collaborative projects. And there you have it. You now know how to create illustrated storyboards with Google Gemini from start to finish. Whether you're a teacher looking to bring stories to life for students, a content creator, or just someone who wants to explore their creative side, this tool opens up endless possibilities. So get started, let your creativity flow, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Happy storyboarding!